You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 94, adding a gadget to the default dashboard. To perform this lab, we need to log in as primary account. As you can see here, I am logged in as my primary account. We'll click on Jira Service Management, and then on top right corner we'll go to Settings. Under Jira Admin Settings, we are going to click on System. Under System, this is System Setting, we are going to scroll down and we'll look for User Interface. User Interface, we'll click on Default Dashboard. On Default Dashboard page, we are going to click on top right corner. Here you will see Add Gadget. In right panel, we are going to click on Add of Active Stream. Active Stream is there. Just click on Add. We are going to click on Done on Default Dashboard, and then we are going to click on Edit. And now we are going to click on Change Layout. Click on Change Layout. Once you click on Change Layout, look for the option, last option that you have, right sidebar. Click on that icon. And now click on Done. On Default Dashboard, top right corner, there are three dots. Just click on these three dots and click on Share Dashboard. I will repeat this step once again. On Default Dashboard page, top right corner, you will have three dots. Click on these three dots and click on Share Dashboard. On Share Default Dashboard, click on Add. Click on Add and then click on Save. On Default Dashboard, review all the details. Here you will see, now you can see all the requests which are there. These were the requests. And then close this window. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.